So this question is from lecture notes on Mathematical Olympiad course by XU Chiago. The it is from volume 6. If you want to do much practice, then purchase the book. So we try to solve this question. So this is 83 cube plus 17 cube upon 83 into 66 plus 17 square. First, solve the question by pausing the video and comment the answer. Then see the solution. So we have to solve it. Then this is a cube plus b cube. So applying the formula, a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So we have to solve it. So this expression become 83 plus 17, 83 square minus 83 into 17 plus 17 square, and base remains same, 83 into 66 plus 17 square. So taking common 83 from here, this become 100. Take common, तो 83 common आएगा, this become 83 minus 17 plus 17 square. Here 83 into 66 plus 17 square. On solving, this become 100. So 83 minus 17 becomes 66 plus 17 square upon 83 into 66 plus 17 square. So this expression is seen. They cut it. The answer is 100. This is a very classic question, a very good question, and we have to do many questions in next videos. Thank you.